Good morning, class. This tutorial is for Miss Sam's 5th grade social studies class. Today, we will be looking at creating a presentation on PowerPoint. So once you pull up the PowerPoint icon on the bottom of your screen, it will give you a ton of different options for themes for your PowerPoint. You can choose whatever you feel is the best fit for the idea you're going to be talking about. Today, I'm just going to choose mesh as one, and we're going to be talking about England. So you're going to want to add a title, which is going to give a brief description of what we're talking about. So today we're going to be talking about England in the 1800s. So I'm going to go ahead and put that at the top for my title, and then I'm going to put at the bottom that it was created by, and then I'll put my name so that I will have recognition for my work. So, it looks kind of boring. It's just black screen with England in the 1800s. So let's go ahead and go up to Insert, and we're going to click on the Pictures and do Online Pictures. And we are going to go ahead and try to find something interesting to put on our title slide to make it more appealing for our viewers. Oh, there's the England flag, and we're going to go ahead and press Insert. And size that down a little. Oh, and it gives you some options for what it would look like. So let's go ahead and click this one, where it put the flag in the background, which looks super cool. Okay, so I'm happy with my title slide, and I want to move on. So let's go ahead and click New Slide at the top. And this is going to give us an option to figure out what we want to talk about today. So let's talk about life in the 1800s, for example. What are some things we might want to include? Perhaps the clothes that they wore, food they ate, any inventions that were going on, perhaps who the king was, anything like that, just to give a nice brief overview of the topic you're going to talk about. Again, if you'd like, you can go to Insert and include pictures, icons, shapes. Really, you have freedom to move around and figure out what you think looks best. And basically, this tutorial is just a way to show you how to get started in PowerPoint. Really, you can do whatever and play around and just figure out what you like best. There are tons of different options, and PowerPoint really gives you a great selection to make a great presentation. So thank you for listening, and I hope this was very informative for you.